Say hello to the new Trinity Tidy Tray. This really cute embellishment tray is going to be the newest thing to help you with your embellishments. It's a small 3D printed tray measuring 4 inches long and 2 inches wide and 5/8 inches tall. You can dump out your embellishments into this tray to select what you want to see. Sometimes we like the flat end, and so you can locate it very easily. When you're done, the funnel end helps you easily put the leftover embellishments back into your Trinity Stamps embellishment box. It's also handy for holding tiny dies or die cuts and a bunch of your other little crafty things. The Tidy Tray is created exclusively for Trinity Stamps by the amazing team at Twiddler's Nook. Here I have paired it with the Marvy Jewel Picker, which is also available in the Trinity shop, which has 2 ends. Both are sticky, and you can easily pick up a large or a small embellishment. Tap the end of the tray or use your fingertip to move all of the embellishment pieces down toward the funnel for an easier use to return them to the embellishment box. All of Trinity's embellishments are sold inside this nifty little embellishment box. It keeps everything nice and tidy, and there's a label on the end to tell you exactly what product's inside the box. This is a great trio for embellishment storage solutions.